Today, mga kabarangay, I'm Neros Arsoriano, President of the Tangos North Health Cooperative. Our cooperative is dedicated to providing quality healthcare services to our community, where it's committed to improving the health and well-being of our members and their families. For our mission is to provide accessible and affordable healthcare services to our members. Also, to create a healthier community where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Also, to provide quality healthcare services. Also, promote this health education and support community development projects. In our cooperative, we offer a range of healthcare services, including the medical consultations, laboratory tests, and health educational programs. We're targeting low-income families and individuals who lack access to healthcare services. By joining our cooperative, you have access to quality healthcare and financial protection. We're proud to partner with the Tangos Health Center, which is to provide comprehensive healthcare services to our members. Together, we can make difference in lives of our community members. So, mga kabarangay, join us in building a healthier community, supporting our cooperative, and be part of movement towards better health and well-being. Let's work together to create a brighter future for ourselves and for our community. Kaya, sama-sama tayo mga kabarangay. Visit us at the Emmanuel Street, Tangos North Health Cooperative office or contact us to learn more. Let's build a healthier future together.